Jackson with NexGen Energy. NexGen Energy specializes in geothermal loop installation. Let me talk a little bit about what geothermal loop installation is and what it looks like today. A typical home, a geothermal system is installed. There's two main categories of loop installation that's done in today's market. Mainly a well vertical loop system. That looks something like this, where a well driller is brought in, they drill vertical wells, pipes are inserted into the ground and grouted, and then a hole in the basement is put in and trenched out to the outside where these loops are all connected together. The other system that can be used is a horizontal system in a place where you got more space available. An excavator can come in and dig a trench. Usually a slinky style loop system might be installed in this scenario. Again, back into the basement, out into that trench to connect the loops. At NexGen Energy, as we've studied this, we've noticed that this is one of the biggest drawbacks to a geothermal system. So we specialize in trying to improve this scenario for geothermal prospective customers. What we do is we come into the basement, we drill a 12-inch hole somewhere hopefully near your furnace to minimize the mess inside the house. Then what we've done is we've developed what we call a blind mole. It's a pneumatic mole similar to what's usually used to get outside of that house. And what it does is it goes and installs a loop out an array that looks something like this. We throw several of them down the hole and they pneumatically hammer their way down to the bottom. Once at the bottom, all the internal components of the mole are able to be extracted out the back. A loop is formed. This can be hooked up to the furnace, and we have your geothermal loop system installed. This can be done in really tight residential areas, as well as anywhere where a homeowner wouldn't want to tear up their property in order to do the loop install. This also lends itself to year-round installs. Since the ground's not frozen outside, or ground's not frozen underneath the basement, now we can do the loop install year-round. So if this is something that you think would be interesting to you or to your customers, please get a hold of us and we can make this kind of loop installation available to you and your customers. Thanks.